Uptown Swing.
Classics, level 2. Peter?
Maddie. Today we learned the peekaboo. The peekaboo started from a swing out.
The peekaboo.
Hee hee.
Boop. Switch it. Rock, step, rock, step,
Rock, step, triple. Rock, step, triple. Rock, step, triple, and a
Hey,
twist,
hey,
twist,
hey,
twist, step,
ooh,
step,
ba,
step,
ba.
step.
From the back, just so you can see what I do, leaders, I do a little sneaky thing to match the forwards footwork. I go rock, step, hey. Now I'm back with my partner. And at the end, I kind of shake it. Twist, 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 shake, ba, ba, boom, then we dance. Then we did scissor kicks. Scissor kicks are sneaky, but we got them. We go kick and cross, and kick and cross, and kick and cross. Remember, you bounce and you swing, that little sway will really help you to get that kick. So you can practice that with yourself or with someone else, getting that feeling going. Then we did them where the leaders start with their right foot, followers start with their left. Even though that's not my starting leg, that's my ending leg, because the way this fits into a swing out is it doesn't add on to a swing out, it steals the ending. So that count number 7, that last triple step, it steals the ending. 7 and 8, and then it steals the next beginning. And 1 and 2. So if we do basics, we'll do 2 swing outs. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Here's my 7, 8. Here's my 1, 2. We're going to replace those with the scissor kicks. Watch it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Kick and cross and kick and cross. And then we're right back into the stream. That's to practice, because I know we did it really fast. It's your homework. You can try it with just the footwork if you'd like in place. That's fine. That would be just this. If we go rock, step, triple step, 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 kick and cross, then triple step. That's great practice if you just do that. When you try to swing it out, remember, you still have to get the same feelings as you did in a normal swing out. So when you go here, you're going to think about doing your scissor kick, and you're going to want to just go like this, but you have to have some of this feeling away and towards. So when we do our scissor kicks,